MacBook Air is a perfect laptop. It has physical keys that are a pleasure to type on, a beautiful screen, an optimal size, good pricing, and a quad-core processor. The only touch button is the fingerprint sensor and the touchpad. This model is authentic, straight from Apple, and it looks fresh. MacBook Air includes a large Force Touch trackpad that has no traditional buttons and is instead powered by a set of force sensors, allowing users to press anywhere on the trackpad to get the same response. It is available in 3 colors: gold, silver or in space gray. The incredible thin and light MacBook Air features a stunning 13.3-inch Retina display with True Tone technology. Backlit Magic Keyboard and Touch ID. 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor. Intel Iris Plus graphics, fast SSD storage. 8 GB of memory. Stereo speakers with wider stereo sound. 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. Up to 11 hours of battery life. Force Touch trackpad. Keyboard Feel the magic. Touch ID your fingerprint as your password. The price on this laptop is also cheaper than the Pro. The Air was only $1,199. Win-win for buying. Click on the below link.